Welcome to NodeJS Interview Questions Part 2. Please have a glance at our playlist on NodeJS Interview for all the videos. Let's move towards questions. Question: what is require keyword in Node.js and why it is used? It is used to load a module from Node.js API. This is one of those functions that is globally available. Next question. I/O, standard input, output, use of process object in Node.js. Another feature of the process object is standard input and standard output. These two objects offer us to communicate with a process while it is running. We will use these objects to read and write data to the terminal. Process.stdout for I/O output operation. Process.stdout will display string output on command line. Process.stdout for I/O input operation. Process.stdout is for standard input, on built-in data variable. So when a data event is raised, or we can say that, when the user types some data into the terminal and hits enter, we will raise this data event here as mentioned below in code. When any data is sent to our application through the standard input object, this callback function fire, and the data that is sent to our application will come in as an argument. Next question. Write a Node.js code example for I/O operation in Node.js. Below code snippet will interact with the user and ask some questions. After that, store their corresponding answers back to the array. Flow code in a JS file and run to fully understand the flow of code. Next question. What is process.stdout.clearline in Node.js? Another way to ask this Node.js interview question is that how to erase characters printed in console, or erase characters printed in console. Process.stdout.clearline will erase characters from command line. It will clear current text. Next question. What is process.stdout.cursorTo in Node.js? Process.stdout.cursorTo, it will move cursor to beginning of. Next question. What is global timing functions in Node.js? How will they help async processing? Some of the globally available timing functions in a Node.js runtime environment are setTimeout, clearTimeout, setInterval, and clearInterval. They all work in the browser. In addition, it is also available to you globally. SetInterval in Node.js. The setInterval will fire the callback function over and over again on an interval time. See the output of the below code. When we execute this code, the output of this code is showing hi I am repeats again every 500 milliseconds, and it will never stop. To stop this interval, we have to set a terminating condition and fire clearInterval method. SetTimeout in Node.js. The setTimeout will create a delay of a certain time and then invoke function. Example. See the output of the below code. Here, 5000 milliseconds will equal 5 seconds. We're going to cause a timeout that will cause this application to wait for 3 seconds, and then it will invoke this callback function. clearInterval, clearTimeout in Node. The clearTimeout and clearInterval functions are used to stop intervals or stop any timeouts that we might have currently in our application. See the output of the below code. Next question. Write a program to show percentage waiting in every half second in Node.js. ClearLine, CursorTo, setInterval, clearInterval, setTimeout functions to accomplish this task. Please save and execute below code to have a look at the output. Next question. What is path module in Node.js? The path module is a module that is an installation of Node.js. It gives us some tools for working with paths. Next question. How to pluck file name from a full path using path module in Node.js. We are going to use the path module.baseName function to pluck the base file name from a full path or file name with .baseName, and that should pluck just the global.js file name from that full path. Thank you for watching this video. See other video for more Node.js interview questions. Also visit our blog. Interview questions wiki. Detailed Node.js interview questions.